And the High Court has suspended a government order to prevent those who are not fully vaccinated against COVID-19 from accessing public services. And this comes just 1 month after the Ministry of Health announced that it would require people to show vaccination certificates from the 21st of December to access in-person public services. Well, the Ministry of Health, however, denies issuing such a mandatory vaccination order, stating that it would ensure that it safeguards those serving the country. And as Raquel Moigai reports, the country's positivity rate has been steadily rising, with the Ministry of Health urging Kenyans to stay vigilant as we head to the festive season.
According to orders issued by High Court Judge Justice Anthony Mrima on Tuesday, the state has been prohibited from enforcing the directive that demanded all Kenyans seeking to exercise and enjoy their Bill of Rights to access various in-person government and commercial services to be fully vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccinations by 21st December. According to Justice Mrima, the directive is unconstitutional.
We have not issued any mandatory vaccination order. And we have said it so many times. Nobody will be forced in any manner or form to be vaccinated.
According to Health Cabinet Secretary Enock Kagwe, the Ministry of Health is concerned about the welfare of its citizens. And just as airlines and countries will demand that persons be vaccinated before boarding or traveling, so is the government of Kenya doing.
If you want to come to a government office, because we have so many people in that government office we don't want to expose, it's okay, go online, make a telephone call. But if you want to come physically, it's only fair that we protect those. And I'm sure it will be the same even in media houses, where if you want to go in, you need to be vaccinated. Otherwise, you expose everybody else in there. And it is irresponsible enough to expose your own family.
But as interested parties in the petition filed by Enock Aura await to hear the matter on January 4th, the country's rising positivity rate is one that is keeping health officials on their toes.
For instance, in Kiambu County, where we were at 0 people being hospitalized. Yesterday we had 15 people hospitalized in Kiambu County, and other counties are also beginning to see an increase in positivity.
Between the dates of 7th to 14th December, the number of new infections have risen steadily, so has the positivity rate. From 75 cases and a positivity rate of 1.6% on 7th December to a high of 331 new COVID-19 infections and a positivity rate of 11.5% on 14th December.
But essentially, it's all Delta, the Delta variant. We do not have anybody hospitalized with Omicron variant, so we are hoping that that either A is a strain that is very mild, or B is something that we are going to overcome easily.
The Ministry of Health is, however, set to meet with the Council of Governors on Wednesday to discuss matters COVID-19 preparedness in the wake of the new Omicron variant.
And even amongst in Kiambu County, where I said the rates have gone up, they went up by 15 people almost in a day. Those people have not been vaccinated. There is a deadline that is coming at us, the 21st of December, by which time the raft of measures that we announced in November will take effect. I've appealed to Kenyans not to wait for the last minute. We don't want a queue at the railway station on the 21st of people who have simply been waiting for God knows what.
At the moment, only 12% of the country's total adult population has been fully vaccinated. That's a representation of only 3,276,236 persons. Raquel Moigai, Citizen TV.